Hey guys, today I want to share with you this Sandalwood beard wash and beard conditioner from Viking Revolution. Now you get a 5-ounce bottle of both the beard wash and the beard conditioner. Both the beard wash and the beard conditioner contain a little bit of beard oil. So this helps hydrate, clean, and soften your beard. This, of course, is going to help give your beard shine and life. They say using these natural ingredients helps aid in good beard growth. Now, to apply, you're just going to put a little bit right in the palm of your hand. Just add a little bit of water. Going to lather that up. Rub it right into your beard. Get that all worked up in there. Then, of course, going to rinse. Get that all rinsed out. Now we're going to add some conditioner. By the way, this smells great. Again, just going to work that conditioner, work it right up into the beard. And there you go. I got a nice, great smelling beard. And guys, I can't say that I've ever felt my beard be more soft than this. I really like it. And this is the Sandalwood beard wash and beard conditioner from Viking Revolution.